Hey kids! Welcome to our fun adventure at the zoo! Today, we're going to meet some of the cutest animals and learn all about them. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at all these amazing animals. We're going to see animals from all over the world, from the jungles to the mountains to the snow. I'm so excited to learn about these animals with you. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go! Wow, look over there, it's a giant panda. Panda bears are so cuddly and cute, and they're known for their love of bamboo. Can you say bamboo? Bamboo! That's what pandas love to eat. They use their sharp claws to grab onto the bamboo stalks and munch on them all day long. Did you know that pandas can eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo a day? That's like eating a whole bunch of bananas. Pandas have black fur around their eyes, ears, nose, and legs, and the rest of their fur is white. Why do you think they have that black and white fur? Scientists think their black and white fur helps them to blend in with the shade and snow in their natural habitat. That's pretty cool. Pandas are amazing climbers too. Even though they're big and cuddly, they can climb high up into the trees to take a nap or find more bamboo to munch on. Sometimes pandas like to roll around on the ground and play in the grass. They're so playful and fun to watch. We have to say goodbye to our panda friend for now, but it was so much fun learning about them. Let's go see what other amazing animals we can find at the zoo. Look, it's a koala. Isn't it adorable with its fluffy ears and big black nose? Koalas are sometimes called koala bears, but they're not actually bears at all. They belong to a group of animals called marsupials. They're marsupials, which means that they carry their babies in a pouch just like kangaroos. Isn't that fascinating? Koalas are known for being sleepyheads. They sleep up to 18 hours a day. That's almost the entire day spent snoozing. Can you believe that? That's a lot of sleep. Imagine sleeping for that long every single day. When they're not sleeping, koalas love to munch on eucalyptus leaves. These leaves are their main source of food. Eucalyptus leaves are a little bit toxic to other animals, but koalas have special stomachs that can digest them. Isn't that amazing? Koalas have thick, woolly fur that keeps them warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Their fur is perfectly adapted to their environment. Their fur is usually gray or brown, and they have big, fluffy ears and a big black nose. These features make them look so cute and cuddly. Koalas live in eucalyptus forests in Australia, and they spend most of their time high up in the trees. They feel safest up there. They use their sharp claws to climb and their strong legs to jump from branch to branch. This helps them move around their habitat with ease. When a baby koala is born, it's only about the size of a jelly bean. It's so tiny and delicate at birth. The baby koala will stay in its mother's pouch for about 6 months, drinking milk and growing bigger and stronger. It's a crucial time for its development. Koalas are very special animals, and they're facing some challenges in the wild because of habitat loss. It's important to protect their homes, but there are lots of people working hard to protect koalas and make sure they have a safe place to live. Conservation efforts are crucial for their survival. It was so much fun learning about koalas. They're amazing animals with so many unique traits and behaviors. Let's go see what other amazing animals we can find at the zoo. There's always something new and exciting to discover. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Look at these adorable penguins as they waddle around on land. Their unique way of walking is both amusing and endearing. Look at all the penguins. They seem to be having a great time in their zoo habitat, which is designed to mimic their natural environment. Penguins are so funny to watch as they waddle around on land, but they're amazing swimmers. They can glide through the water with such grace and speed. Penguins live in the southern hemisphere, mostly in Antarctica, where the conditions are harsh and the temperatures are extremely low, where it's very cold and icy. The zoo habitat is designed to replicate these conditions to keep the penguins comfortable. They have a layer of blubber under their skin that helps to keep them warm, acting as an insulator against the freezing temperatures, even in the freezing water. This blubber, combined with their dense feathers, provides excellent insulation. Penguins are black and white, a coloration known as counter shading, which helps them to blend in with their surroundings. This camouflage is crucial for their survival. When they're swimming in the water, their black backs blend in with the dark ocean depths. Making it harder for predators to spot them from above. And their white bellies blend in with the bright surface of the water. Penguins eat mostly krill, squid, and fish, which they catch by diving into the water. Their diet is rich in these sea creatures, which they catch by diving into the water. Penguins are excellent divers and can reach impressive depths. Some penguins can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes underwater. This allows them to hunt efficiently. That's longer than I can hold my breath. Their ability to stay underwater for such long periods is truly remarkable. Penguins are very social animals and they live in large groups called colonies. These colonies can consist of thousands of penguins, and they live in large groups called colonies. They interact with each other constantly, communicating through various vocalizations and body language. They work together to raise their young and protect each other from predators. This cooperative behavior is essential for their survival and protect each other from predators. By sticking together, they can fend off threats more effectively. When it's time to lay their eggs, penguins come ashore and build nests out of rocks or mud. These nests provide a safe place for their eggs. Penguins come ashore and build nests out of rocks or mud. The construction of these nests is a crucial part of their breeding process. The mother penguin will lay 1 or 2 eggs, and then both parents will take turns incubating the eggs, ensuring they stay warm and protected. And then both parents will take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. This shared responsibility helps ensure the survival of their offspring and caring for the chicks. The chicks are dependent on their parents for warmth and food during the early stages of their life. Baby penguins are called chicks, and they're covered in fluffy down feathers that keep them warm. These feathers are essential for their survival in the cold, and they're covered in fluffy down feathers that keep them warm. The down feathers provide insulation until they grow their adult feathers. The chicks will stay with their parents for several months, learning how to swim, hunt, and stay safe. This period is crucial for their development, learning how to swim, hunt, and stay safe. Penguins are amazing animals. Their adaptations make them perfectly suited for their environment. They're perfectly adapted to their cold and icy home, with their unique behaviors and physical traits. And they're a lot of fun to watch. Whether they're waddling on land or swimming gracefully in the water, penguins are always entertaining. Let's go see what other amazing animals we can find at the zoo. There's always something new and exciting to discover. Look over there! It's a group of meerkats. Aren't they just adorable? These small social creatures are always a delight to watch. Meerkats are small mammals that live in the deserts of southern Africa. They thrive in these harsh environments, adapting to the extreme conditions. They're known for their upright posture, which they use to keep an eye out for predators and other dangers, and their habit of standing on their hind legs to look out for danger. This behavior is crucial for their survival in the wild. Meerkats live in groups called mobs, which can have anywhere from 20 to 50 members. These mobs are tight-knit communities where each member plays a vital role. Each mob has a dominant female, who is the leader of the group. She makes important decisions and ensures the safety and well-being of the mob. Meerkats are very social animals, and they spend a lot of time grooming each other, playing, and foraging for food together. They eat mostly insects, but their diet is quite varied. But they'll also eat other small animals like lizards, which provide them with essential nutrients, snakes, and even scorpions. Their ability to handle such dangerous prey is truly remarkable. When a meerkat mob is foraging for food, 1 or 2 meerkats will stand guard, keeping a lookout for predators. This teamwork ensures the safety of the entire group. If a predator is spotted, the meerkat on guard will let out a warning bark, alerting the others to take cover, and the rest of the mob will scurry into their burrows for safety. These burrows are complex networks that provide shelter and protection. Meerkats have excellent eyesight and hearing, which helps them to spot predators from far away. Their keen senses are essential for their survival. They also have a special membrane that covers their eyes to protect them from dust and sand when they're digging or foraging. This adaptation is crucial in their sandy habitats. Baby meerkats are called pups, and they're incredibly cute. And they're born blind and deaf. They rely entirely on their mothers and the mob for care and protection during their early days. The pups stay in their burrows for the first few weeks of their lives, where they're cared for by their mother and other members of the mob. This communal care helps ensure their survival. Meerkats are fascinating animals with a complex social structure. Their interactions and behaviors are a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. They're a lot of fun to watch, especially when they're standing up on their hind legs and looking around. Their curious nature makes them a favorite among zoo visitors. Let's go see what other amazing animals we can find at the zoo. There's always something new and exciting to discover. Wow, look at that fluffy tail! It's a red panda! Red pandas are small mammals that are native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. They're sometimes called fire foxes because of their reddish-brown fur. Red pandas are about the size of a house cat, and they have long, bushy tails that they use for balance and to keep warm in the winter. They're excellent climbers, and they spend most of their time in trees. Red pandas are mostly active at night, and they're shy and solitary animals. They eat mostly bamboo, but they'll also eat fruit, insects, and small mammals. When red pandas aren't sleeping or eating, they're usually grooming themselves. They have a special bone in their wrist that acts like a thumb, which helps them to grip bamboo stalks and groom their fur. Red pandas are facing threats in the wild due to habitat loss and poaching. But there are lots of people working hard to protect red pandas and make sure they have a safe place to live. It was so much fun learning about red pandas. They're such beautiful and fascinating creatures. Let's go see what other amazing animals we can find at the zoo. Thanks for joining us on this amazing zoo adventure. We hope you had fun learning about these adorable animals. Remember to always be kind to animals and help protect them. We can all do our part to make the world a better place for animals. See you next time.